Wow. Wow. Hello mga bes. So, ayan nga, kakalanding lang namin dito sa Koh Samui Island, dito sa Thailand. So, ngayon, ililibot ko kayo. Say hi to my friend. Thailand. What's your name?
I am Oya.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
Okay.
Oya, nice to meet you.
So, naghahanap kami ngayon ng makakainan.
Get ready with makeup.
Ayan, kita kasi. So, yeah. Where are we going, baby?
I have special restaurant for you. It's very very yummy for Thai food.
Really?
Yeah.
Oh, I like Thai food.
Yeah.
So, ayan nga, pupunta kami sa restaurant.
Yeah.
Hindi ko alam kung saan.
Meaning less wrong, you know.
Yeah.
Local food here.
This munch. Wow.
Me.
What is this?
We are going tonight.
Here later?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
It will open later, right?
Yes, open tonight. I think it's 9 o'clock or 7 o'clock. I
Oh.
don't know.
So, ayan nga,
7
club,
o'clock.
right?
Yes, correct.
So, it's club.
Too much people. It's very much Samui.
Yeah. Oh, may araw pa. There's a sun. Oh my God, there's still sun.
Sunshine, sunshine.
So, mga 5 p.m. na nga ng hapon dito. Mga 6 na, no? 6.
Pardon?
6, right? It's 6 p.m.?
Yeah.
Yeah, so kakaland lang namin.
6
Kakalanding lang
PM
namin.
Right now.
Yes. Hindi ko alam kung saan niya ako dadalhin. So, tignan natin kung saan tayo. Meow, 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 meow.
And turn right.
You're gonna be on YouTube, baby.
Huh?
You're gonna be on YouTube.
Yeah.
Is it okay?
Yeah. Okay.
Yeah. So, alam na niya dito kasi dati siya dito. You've been here before, right?
Yes.
Uh-huh,
I think
yeah.
you have 2 times.
2 times.
Already,
Oh, yeah. Johnny Walker. Oh. What? Crazy. Ano? So, mag-ano daw siya. Tinitignan yung salamin sa mirror.
Mirror.
He want... Mirror ba yung...
Oh! Get it!
Oh my God! Wow! Wow! Your reaction is funny. It's gonna be on YouTube. It's gonna be... It's gonna be your reaction.
Yes.
Your reaction?
Yes. I don't
High
know.
time.
Open.
Maybe I want to be high.
High time.
I want to be high.
As well, you can say hi.
High time. So, ayan.
You can say hi. Seb.
Hindi ko alam kung saan kami pupunta.
Yeah, I think it's open or not.
Are you sure?
I'm not sure.
Maybe this is Koh Samui. No. Mga ano lang to be, dito lang to. Pero sa kabila, beautiful, right?
Yeah.
It's a lot of bars, restaurants, foreigners,
We
tourists.
We went
Yeah.
to the foreign want to buy first.
Oh, yeah, sure.
Yeah.
You can, yeah, you can.
So, right?
Oh, wow.
No, no. Yeah.
Ah, oh my God. So, ayan. Dito kami kakain. Thai food. Ayan, oh. Diba? Wow. Yeah, it's good. I don't know what's good. Okay. Ayan mga be,
Tom yum.
ito yung ano nila, menu.
What?
Pipili na yan.
I want
Pili muna
tom
kami
yum.
kung anong kakainin namin. Maybe can you suggest what's good?
Yeah, this one.
What's that?
Name.
Seafood suki.
Yes.
Uy, seafood.
Yeah. This.
So sa mga hindi nakakaalam guys, yung mga pagkain nila dito is spicy.
เอาตำแตงหนึ่ง
Yeah.
เผ็ด
So hindi ko alam kung anong kainin.
แล้วก็เอาหมี่ขาวต้มยำเส้นน้อยๆนะคะเอาหมูหมี่ขาวต้มยำหมู
Boiled beef.
เน้นผักกับเน้นหมู
Maybe I want soup. What's this?
Yes.
Tom yum soup?
yeah ต้มยำ is good you want noodle soup
Which one?
noodle
Noodle.
yeah
Yeah, so ito yung mga ano nila.
ต้มยำ noodle you know
Tom yum noodle.
yes it's good Yeah.
Okay, sure.
you want to
Tom yum noodle? Yeah, okay.
you want beef
It's-
or chicken
Beef.
Beef.
Yeah, beef.
มีเนื้อไหมคะเอาแล้วก็เอาต้มยำเนื้อถ้วยหนึ่ง
So, yung pinili ko guys is tom yum noodles. Pero beef. Kasi ayoko ng pork. Hindi ako kumakain ng pork.
ค่ะมีข่าวเหมือนกันโอเค
So, ipakita ko sa inyo yung ano nila. Menu.
ต้มยำเนื้อหนึ่งมีขาวแล้วก็ต้มยำหมูมีขาวนิดนึงไม่เยอะแล้วก็ตำ
Ayan
แตง
guys.
มีพัดลมไหมคะ
Look. Yeah, it's hot, right? Yeah.
อ๋อได้อยู่ค่ะ
So, ayan guys. Andito na yung order namin. What's this best?
ต้มย
Tom yum, yeah, tom yum. So good.
ำ
So, andyan na nga yung order namin.
หนูขอ
Ano
มะ
siya?
นาวเพิ่มได้
Spicy.
ไหมคะกิบหนึ่ง
Beef tom yum. Thai food. So, with the green vegetables. Kasi maanghang to. Ayan. So, kain lang kami. So spicy. Oh my god. Good baby. Ah. Good. Spicy. So ayan guys, katatapos lang namin kumain. So ayan, ililibot ko kayo dito sa ano, sa island nila. Yeah, madaming ano dito. Madaming restaurant saka ano, mga bar. So, pupuntahan daw namin yung ano, yung central nila. Central Samui. So, ayan. Ang anghang ng pagkain, guys. Sobrang anghang. Even. Yeah. Ang ganda ng ano. Ang linis, di ba? Ayan, pupuntahan lang namin yung ano, central. So, i-ano namin kayo. Yeah, I mean like, ililibot ko kayo. So ayan, andito nga kami sa ano, parang ano nila, market. Market nila. Ayan oh, di ba ang dami? So, yan na nga mga guys. Hindi na ako nakapag-vlog na masyado. Kasi nga ano, nilibot namin at saka kumain din kami at bumili na kung ano-ano. So ngayon pabalik na ako sa ano, sa room. Thank you. See ya.